Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Archbishop Peter Machado, Archbishop of Bangalore, ordained 33 acolytes from Christu Choiti College as deacons on 18 March in the shrine of St. Anthony, T.C. Palya, 27 Salesians and 6 belonging to other congregations. Present at the celebration were Father Jose Thomas Koyakal, Superior of the Province of Bangalore, INK, Father Don Bosco Ludusami, Superior of the Province of Chennai, INTM, Father Agilan Sarprasadam, Superior of the Province of Trichy, INT, Father Thomas Rajkumar Santiago, Superior of the Province of Hyderabad, INH, Father Nazarius Lakra, Vicar of the Province of Dimapur, IND, besides other religious authorities. The Salesian Lux Sapientia School Complex in Sokolo Pulatsky hosted the 14th Review of Theatre Initiatives (PIT) by amateur theatres in schools of the Salesian province of Poland Warsaw (PLE) from 15 to 17 March. The review is a response to Don Bosco's idea of theatre, a wonderful initiative that allows young people to share creativity, emotions, passion and sensitivity to art. These annual meetings give the joy of creating and discovering the world using theatre. Young people have the opportunity to exchange dreams and to open up to other people. The event was attended by school theatre groups from Minsk, Mazowiecki, Lodz, Oswiecim, Legionowo and Ostroda. Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, joins humanitarian organizations and countries around the globe in celebrating International Day of Happiness, which falls each year on March 20th. In 2011, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution that recognized happiness as a fundamental human goal and called for a more inclusive, equitable and balanced approach to economic growth that promotes the happiness and well-being of all people. The day is coordinated by Action for Happiness, a non-profit movement of more than 6,23,000 members from 193 countries and is supported by a partnership of like-minded organizations. From 29th August to 1st September 2024, Fatima will host the 9th International Congress of Mary Help of Christians. The main aim of this Congress is to get to know, further explore and spread devotion to Mary Help of Christians. A press conference was held on 15 March in Lisbon, also involving the Provincial of Portugal, Father Tarcisio Moraes, to present the event. Further relevant information about this important event of the Salesian family was offered there. The International Congress of Mary Help of Christians are events organized by the Association of Mary Help of Christians (ADMA) for all the groups of the Salesian family who find in Mary the mother and teacher of all vocations. For the meeting of the Executive Council of the World Confederation of Past Peoples of Don Bosco, the President, Mr. Bryant Magro, and the General Secretary, Mr. Peter Kovac, visited the Salesians working in Albania and Kosovo as part of their animation visit to continue to expand the organization in more countries around the world. During a meeting with the 3 Salesian communities in Albania and the 2 Salesian presences in Kosovo, it was declared that the rectors of all houses will assume the role of delegate for past pupils so that in the coming months they can take the first steps to founding the organization in the Salesian presences of Albania and Kosovo. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.